Get a lot of questions here about employment law and about folks wanting to understand what their rights are if they're terminated from their job. Well, first of all, I'm licensed in Georgia, and Georgia's at-will state. And what that means is that the general rule is that you can quit your job at any time and they can fire you at any time. Now, I say that there's always exceptions to that rule. If there's an employment agreement between the employee and the employer that they have to follow certain steps before they can fire you, or if you're in some type of state agency that has certain steps, those type of things, then you might have a cause of action if you were just abruptly fired. But for the most part, any employer in the state of Georgia can walk in and fire who they want. And you can walk in and quit when you want. That's the at-will portion of this state. So usually, for the most part, folks that call me with employment questions that have been terminated, usually the employer was well within their rights to do it. But sometimes, if you have an agreement with your employer about your employee status, then and you've been terminated wrongly, bring that employment contract in, go see a lawyer, and they'll be able to tell you exactly whether or not you've been terminated improperly. I want people to know what type of law I practice, and in reality, being a solo practitioner, I practice all types of law. I mean, I do everything here in this office. Well, I shouldn't say everything, I should say nearly everything in this office in the legal field. Through the years of experience that I've had, there's a lot of times that you learn different things and learn how to do different cases, and I've continued to grow on that experience. And so when you come in the door up front, usually I'm going to be able to help you with your problem. If I can't, if it's something that I know that I don't do, or it's something that is just so peculiar to your situation, I don't feel like I'm equipped to handle, I'm going to send you to somebody I think who does. So either way, I'm going to take care of you the best that I can.